What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the graphical issues on Mali GPUs or any other non-Adreno devices while using the latest Winlator build version. It even works on the other custom builds too. And if you've been facing glitches, broken textures, or rendering problems, this might be the fix you've been waiting for. Okay, well, the phone I'm using right now is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 with the Mali G615 2-core GPU. It comes with the latest driver version with extensions. Alright, here I have already installed the Winlator mod, one of the best optimized Forks builds from the official version. So here, I've already set up everything. Let's go to Settings. And here, leave everything at default. Also, set the preset to Intermediate. Now, as usual, create a new container. And here is the big fix. This will resolve all the graphical issues and bugs we face. Set the graphics driver to Vortek. Now go to its configuration. Here, the Vulkan version is set to 1.3 based on the device. Max device memory. And now select the exposed extensions. Scroll down until you find this extension, Vulkan Extended Dynamic State. Uncheck this thing. This extension generally means that it adds more dynamic state support for apps that need to reduce the number of pipeline state objects they compile and bind. It's actually good for the latest games which support DirectX 11 or 12, but not good for classic D3D9 titles. So it can cause graphical issues and glitches. All the remaining settings are the same as usual. And that's it. These are the settings. Now let's go ahead and boot the container. The same setting also applies to other Winlator custom builds. If you turn off that thing, it will fix most issues. I'll show you during the test. Now let's first check out Direct3D. It's working fine. And one more thing, make sure to install both the PhysX driver and Visual C++ libraries. I've already installed them. Let's also check out the additional GPU tests here. Also, keep in mind, this is only for Mali GPU and works best for D3D9 or some DirectX 10 titles. Don't expect intensive games like Cyberpunk, RDR2, God of War, or anything like that. The latest ones may not work as well as they do on Snapdragon. Alright guys, now it's time for the test. Let's see. So here, I've already created the shortcuts to the container with the same settings we applied. Now let's boot it. In the game settings, everything is set to low. Definition is off. And there we go guys, it's fixed. No graphical issues this time, and we're also getting better FPS performance. At the top, you can see the Vulkan driver version and the Mali GPU version. It's also recommended to set DXVK to 1.7.3 async for better results. And look at it guys, it looks insane. Now we're in the actual gameplay. Performance and the FPS looks quite better. Some minor lags here and there, but it's way smoother than before. It looks perfect. If you have phones with Dimensity 8300 or above, you'll get even better FPS. Just look at the environment. It renders perfectly well without any issues. Also, take a look at the sea area. The water reflections and everything look fine. Now let's test Mafia 2, a pretty intensive DirectX 9 title. Also, make sure the PhysX driver is installed for this to work. And look at this, guys. It looks really good. Just by disabling that one Vulkan extension, we're seeing this much improvement. All those annoying graphical glitches on Mali GPUs are completely gone. The games now render properly, and performance is noticeably better, especially in D3D9 titles. If you're using a Mali GPU device, definitely try this method. It's simple, effective, and makes a big difference.
What's it like over there anyway? I kept reading the papers to see what was going on, and you know how much I hate reading. Yeah, I know. You guys kicked Mussolini's ass, right? Sort of.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.